Good morning, everyone. This is Tushar Agarwal from Rishikul is here again with the practical of histogram. Friends, we have in previous lecture we have discussed about data visualization. We have started with data visualization. Now the first topic is how to create histograms, how to display data on histogram in Python. Friends, first I want to show you something that we are doing histogram, then bins are our x-axis, weights are the peaks of the rectangular form, or we can say our y-axis. Now import, first we have to import the package of NumPy. I have imported the package of NumPy, import NumPy as np. Friends, then we have to import another package called matplotlib. So friends, matplotlib is a package for 2D data visualization, two-dimensional. Means there are only two axes, x-axis and y-axis, there are no z-axis. Dot pyplot. Now from pyplot we have taken it and I have aliases it as PLT. You can alias it ABC, BCD, whatever you want. I have aliases at PLT. Now friends, I have taken some data called 5, 15, sample of data 20, 25, 20, 55. Now I have to plot a histogram. Now to plot a histogram, I have to write plot dot hist, means matplotlib package aliases dot hist is for histogram, data comma bins. Now in bins, what I have taken my interval 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Now weights are the peaks which I have taken 10, 20, 45, 33, 6 and 8. Friends, we will talk about this face color. Face color is the color of the box. Face color is the color of the box we are having. Edge color, as we have discussed in the previous class, edge color is the color of the edge. Now friends, let me show you how it will be visualized. I have run your program. I will get output in a short while. Yes, this is my output. Look, I will put it here. Now this is the bin 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. These are my bins and these are my y label 0, 10, 20. This is accordingly. Now what are weights? Weights are 20. So this is 20. These are my weights. These are the weights. These are the weights. Weights, 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 weights. जितना होगा उतना आपका आता रहेगा. These are the weights. Now friends, I have taken some color. Face color is equal to red. Suppose I will change it to green is there. I will change it to yellow. Then what will happen? We will see. Look, it is changed. Now if I will change edge color to white, let me think white is there or not. Let me see. Yes, look. Now we can change these colors according to our need. Now friends, let me come to the title, data visualization histogram. Now title is here. It is the title. It is the title, data visualization dot histogram. Now x label means x-axis I have done score. Look, first we have to look into the figure. This is score. If I will change it to, instead of score, I will write marks. And I will run it. Then it should be marks. Now if instead of wickets on y label I will write down students, then it will be students. Here it is, it will be students, right? Now friends, if you want to just now the next thing is plt dot show. Now show means we want to show our data. Show function is used to display the data or the histogram representing the data. Now one thing more, instead of putting this list as a data here, if I will copy it and instead of data I will paste it here. I will paste it here and remove it. Then let us see what will be the impact on our answer and our visualization. Friends, there will be no impact on it. It will be same as it is. Now we can save, moving forward, we can save the figure, we can just pay in the excess with this. Now save the figure. I will save it in my, I have made a folder called Tho for Thoni. Let me go to desktop, wherever you want to save it, you can just save it. I will save histogram. That's it. Now my figure is saved. Whenever you want to see it, you can see. If I will click on this, reset to original view, this is back, this is front because we are not having any other thing. This is for zooming, this is for configuring subplots. Look, these are the subplots, we can consider it by default. Now friends, let me move to the next thing. Let me close it first. I think I am very much clear about my topic histogram. Now I have discussed about quantiles also, quantiles. Now for that we must have pandas installed. Now for pandas to install, you have to write pip install pandas in the shell. Now pandas are, what are pandas? Pandas are the data structures in Python. Pandas are the data structures in Python. Friends, now we have imported the NumPy package, we have imported the pandas package as PD. Now I have taken a series. Now what is a series? Consequence of any series, number of any numbers we are given is known as series in the Python. This is same in mathematics. Now what is quantile? Quantile we have discussed that 30% fall below it. So I have taken 30%. 0.3 means I will write it here for you for your convenience, that it is, sorry for the interruption, 30% fall below it. I will write 30% fall below it. Quantile means the number of terms from the series, the number of elements from the series which fall 30% below it. Let me see the answer. If I will run it, we have used quantile function, series.quantile. Look, 4.699 is answer. If, let me see if I will make it 0.5, 50%. Let me see, it is 7, right? So it is all about quantile. Let me show you again about the histogram. We have taken NumPy as NP, Matplotlib 2D visualization package, taken data, taken bins, taken weights. Face color is for the box colors. Edge color is the outside lining of the boxes. Title is to give the title to the histogram. Label is for the x-axis, y-axis, and show we have to use to display. Now I will let me again show you what we have done. This is the histogram so far created. Now these are empty because there are no values between 30 to 50 in our data. There are no values in our data between 30 to 50. There is 5, 15, 20, 25, 20, 55. So this is how we can save our data, our histogram for further use. Thank you very much, and goodbye. Let me see you tomorrow. Students, I thought I am very much clear. Thank you very much.